GROK is an advanced AI assistant developed by Shai and spearheaded by Elon Musk, designed to be maximally truthful, useful, and curious. This generative AI chatbot is not your typical assistant. It has been intentionally modeled with a unique personality, inspired by The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, giving it a signature bit of wit and a rebellious streak. This personality allows GROK to engage in dynamic conversations and tackle spicy or unconventional questions that many other AI models often avoid, offering responses that are both informative and entertaining. The most powerful and distinguishing feature of GROK is its seamless, real-time access to the X platform, formerly known as Twitter. This direct connection to live data allows GROK to stay at the absolute forefront of up-to-the-minute global news, trends, and public sentiment. It can provide immediate, relevant answers by pulling from the latest headlines, summarize trending topics, or give context about specific posts on X, ensuring its information is always current and relevant. Beyond text, GROK is a powerful multimodal AI. Its latest versions, such as GROK 4, can process and understand both text and visual inputs. You can upload documents, photographs, or paste links, and GROK will analyze the content for you. It excels in visual processing, offering deep real-world spatial understanding, interpreting complex diagrams, and possessing the unique ability to generate functional code directly from a visual representation. GROK also features a groundbreaking creative tool called Imagine, which allows users to generate striking, high-quality images and even videos from simple text prompts for a more interactive experience. The app offers a voice mode for natural-sounding, human-like conversation. You can even activate the live camera feature to share your real-time view, allowing GROK to see and understand the world as you do. For personalization, users can choose from various AI personalities like assistant, romantic, or storyteller, and engage with animated AI companions such as Ani, Rudy, or Valentine. GROK is not limited to social media. It is available as a dedicated app on the Google Play Store and is integrated into certain Tesla vehicles. Access is typically granted through a paid subscription like X, Premium Plus, or the specialized Super GROK tier, providing advanced capabilities and higher usage limits. GROK aims to be your cosmic guide, constantly pushing the boundaries of what an AI assistant can achieve.